Guys, today what we have today is Waka.app. This is an amazing platform that you can actually use to turn everyday operational problem into a tool. So that means either you are a small business owner, or you have a classroom, or you're a classroom or a teacher, or you're an household person, you can actually turn everyday operational problem into a tool. Now, in a nutshell, what I'm trying to explain here is, if you're actually looking for a platform that you can actually use to create a small tool, or a tool, or you can use the platform to solve a problem. For instance, if you own a cleaning service or a logistics service and you want people to be able to order your services from an app, this platform is actually going to help you set up that app that is going to serve as a solution to that problem. So this is not actually limited to just what I just said. There's a whole lot they can actually do with the platform, and if you watch this video to the end, you will see everything I'm about to show you. So guys, all you just need in this app is just to say it, ship it, and you're going to use it. So you're just going to tell this app exactly what you want it to do. So as you can see, just an example: recipe collection app with photos, ingredients, and weekly meal planning. Bam, and it's going to create it. So very simple. All you just need is to follow what I'm going to show you, and we're going to get started. So I'm going to go to the dashboard to show you how to set it up. Me personally, I have actually created an app with this platform, and it's so amazing. Before I go straight to showing you what you need, let's go to the pricing. Let's just see what the pricing is like, right? So you can actually start for free, and you're going to get all of these features for free, and they usually have an $8 per month stuff, and so many other stuff. So that means you can actually use the free plan to get started and see exactly how it works. And of course, I know it's going to be helpful. You're going to love this app, so you can actually pay for all this plan if you now need more stuff, right? So let me go to the dashboard and then show you what to do. So of course, if you want to get started, click on start for free and just sign up, and you're good to go. So this is the dashboard. This is the one I created, and let me walk you through the demo so that you can see exactly what it is. So my app, the app I just created here, is a cleaning service, and if you look at this section here, I used a simple prompt. Look at the prompt I used there: a booking app for a cleaning service, for a cleaning business that allow users to book ahead to clean the house, clothes, etc. And Waka just let me try to understand exactly what I'm saying. He said, who will use this app? And I just said, I think I selected customer, you use this app. You say, okay, I'm waiting for you to answer above shape. Okay, I say customers booking with my cleaning service. Okay, ask me who will use the app. I said, okay, customers should be able to use the app to book my cleaning service. You understand? And then he started creating the app for me. So the name of the app he created for me is Pure Slot, and I can change the name if I want, but I love the name, so I'm going to leave it. So this is the app. Let's see exactly how the app works before I show you how to set it up, right? So this is the app, and right here we can actually see this is home, this is services, and this is bookings, right? So if I go to services, you're going to see the services I have on the app, and this is it. I can actually add the price, tell it anything you want to change here, or anyhow you want to put it, the pricing, you can tell it. If I click on book now, I'll be made to book a date, and that's it. This is exactly what I want to use the app. So as you can see, I have turned this problem into, this Waka has helped me turn my problem now into a solution. So people can come here and book for my cleaning service on the app, and I can publish this app right here and have the app uploaded to different places like Play Store and App Store, and I can actually add a custom domain. But before we go straight into all this part, let me show you how to set it up. So when you sign up on Waka, you're going to be brought straight to this dashboard. This is the dashboard where you can set up your app, right? So in this dashboard right now, all you need to do is to tell the app or this platform what you want to use or what you want to create, right? So the solution or the problem you are trying to solve with the app, with this Waka.app, tell it here. Now don't forget, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below which you can use to sign up and set up the app, but you can actually go to Waka.app and get the platform, right? So right here, all you need to do now is to tell this app what you want to do. So in this case, since I have created a cleaning service, I can actually let me just show you how I created the cleaning service. So I can just say create, very simple, create a cleaning service app for me which allows customers to book my services with different package. Bam. So this is exactly what you have entered right now. So, and that's all that is needed, right? The app is going to understand, and if it needs more information from me, it's going to tell me. Now this is exactly what I've just entered, and the next thing I need to do now is to click on this build it right here. So I'm going to click on it, and once I click on it now, it's going to take me through the building process. So as you can see, our app has been taken to the building process and it has started building. So if you look at this section here, you're going to see that Waka is interacting with me and showing me the process. So right now I've given it prompt and now it's working on it, and as it's working on it, we are going to see that it's going to be showing here, showing you the progress and everything you need to do. This is an amazing app. So while this app is actually working on it right now, I'm going to tell you a few things. So this is an amazing app, and with this app you can actually use it to solve any problem. I've said this several times because I want you to check it out, right? I want you to check it out because this is an amazing tool that is going to help you, whichever business you have. So either you're a cleaning service, consulting service, or a logistics service, or you have a teacher, you want people to book your services, or you are an household person, you want to monitor, you want any kind of different thing you want to create. This app can do it for you. And it's one good stuff is you can actually have this app now. After it's done, then get your custom domain, which I'm going to show you how, and then you add it and own it, right? And you can actually use it and share with people to also use for you. Especially if you're a business owner, I would recommend you to use this amazing platform. So Waka is still creating our app, and as you can see, it is doing a lot of stuff, and it's telling you, it's carrying us through the process. I will build purely, which has given me a name for it, but I can change the name by telling it, okay, I don't want it to be purely, I want it to be so name, right? Very easy. So a calm, elegant cleaning service booking app where your customers browse packages, pick a date and time, and book. Let me set the right foundations first. This is a booking app for cleaning business, so I will let customers sign in, keeps their booking safe across devices, and give you owner only panel to see manage every booking. Guys, this is the app we need. This is all we need, guys. Like, I'm so happy to have found this platform, and I know that you're going to love it, right? You're going to love every single step, every single thing about this platform, right? So all I just want you to do, as it's still creating, because it's actually still creating, and if you look at this step, if you look properly here, you're going to see that it's still creating here, still counting. So as it's creating, I'm just telling you a few things, right? So I want you to go ahead, use this platform, try it out, check it out. I'm giving you a huge percentage, like 99% that you are going to love it, right? If you have any question, if you have any things about it, or you are skeptical, tell me in the comments and I can answer you, right? So check it out and tell me what you think. So it's actually still creating. I'm going to let it create, and after it's done creating, I'm going to carry you along and show you everything and how you can now go ahead to use so many other stuff about the platform. So let me give it some time. After it's done creating, I'll come and tell you what to do next. So guys, from start to finish, Waka has generated this app for us, and it barely just took, I think I waited for like around 5 to 10 minutes, right, before it has created this amazing app for us, right? So this app, you can actually see it in preview it in different styles, in tablet and in desktop. Amazing, right? Amazing. So let me go ahead and let's see what the app is. So for instance, if I don't like the way the app is looking, I just need to communicate with Waka.app right here and just tell it, you know what, tweak it a little bit. So I'm going to say this is just for an example, right? But before I go ahead to show you this example, let's just see exactly what it has created before we now add a little tweak. Okay, so this is it, choose package, and as you can see, this app here, it says this is the app, right? Purely, and its browser, it says here, experience serenity, trust professional cleaning that brings calm and order to your space. Choose the package, pick a time, and relax. So this is the package right here. So we have this $110, $120, $118, 200, depending, right? That just set it up for us. So for instance, if this is going to be a real stuff for me, for instance, I'm just showing you an example, right? So if I want to now take it up, which exactly I love this kind of stuff, I'm going to actually create one for myself as well. I'm going to now tweak it, the price, the plan, and everything, make sure that it matches exactly what I want. Okay, so it just gave us a random price here so that you can see exactly how it is. So you can actually pick a date now. So the first step, which is the first one, is to choose a package. Second step, pick a date, and the third step here is where and any note. So you are going to impute the address, the service address where you want us to clean, and then you add additional notes if you have any. So the next thing you want to see here is bookings. If you want to see your bookings now, all you now need to do is to sign in, right? And if you click on sign in, you'll be asked to sign in with your email address. Guys, you see how this thing has created an amazing app for us. And did we write any single line of code? No, the app did everything from the beginning to the end. And what did we just do? We entered the prompts. And look at here, let me show you this side. See here, you can find all of the steps. That's even carried you. It's going to tell you exactly what has been done, what is doing, and everything. So you are going to have all the details right here. So now that we have seen the app and how amazing it looks just by adding simple words, let me just add a little tweak. So I'm going to say change the color to blue and white, just a little tweak, so that exactly we see exactly how this can actually function with when we are making changes, right? So once we have entered that, Waka is actually going to now start the process, and as you can see here, it has started working on the process. And like I told you, you're going to see this section that is counting here, and once it's done, you're not going to see it anymore. So but once we have that, it's going to start as adding the colors to make sure that everything is perfect, and once it's done, we are going to be told. So guys, this is an amazing platform. I don't need to talk too much. I already said a lot, and I've showed you exactly how this thing works. So I will expect you to check it out and start using this app to solve something for yourself. So as you can see, this is actually loading, and now we have this. Okay, so we have this blue section here. Okay, I'm going to give it another one. I said make the main color to be blue. Right, that's actually done the work here, which does should change the color from white and blue, because we had white and green before, but now I want the main color to be blue, so that you can just see a little change, right? And yeah, and we're good to go. So guys, I don't need to say much again. This app, this platform, you need to use it to solve your problem. You need to use it to create solutions that will help your business, that will help your anything you want to do. So guys, check it out and use the prompt to generate what you need to generate. So this is it, and that's actually changed, and as you can see, we have this blue now right here. So very good to go. So if you don't like whatever it has generated, you can actually go ahead to keep tweaking it here, telling it what to do. You know what, I don't like the name, change the name. You know what, I don't like the layout, change the layout. You know what, I don't like the section. You know what, add this button to this place. Just tell it what to do, and it's good to go. So let me show you some other stuff you can actually do now that you have added your app. So once you have done creating, all your apps is going to be at this my app section. So if I click on my apps, you're going to see all the apps I have created, which is this one we just created purely, and this is one I created before, pure slots, and this is the one I showed you, right? So right now you can actually now go ahead to see these other details. So you can see the use case, you can see the resources, you can see security, and then different other stuff. So you can see assistant. So if you need assistant, click on it, it's going to take you to assistant. So if you want to work with Telegram, Discord, actually integrates properly with all of this platform. So if I click on home, it's going to take me to, I think, the home. And yes, this is the home page, right? This is where we were before. And if I'm going to go back, right? So I want to show you some other stuff. So if let me click on use case, I think we are going to find some more information. Okay, use case. So if you want to create a booking, okay, yeah, exactly, this is exactly what I was looking for. You can create a booking, you can turn your what you teach in an app. Okay, you can turn what you teach into an app, right? You can actually see so many use cases here. so many use cases, and all of these use cases, there will be one that will actually suit your kind of business, right? So you can go to resources and you are going to find all the resources you need. So whichever one you want to create, help, sell in your app, so you can actually sell in the app. I think with other videos I'm going to make, I'm going to show you how to do so many things right on the app, in step by step, right? So I'm going to show you what to do step by step. So now that we have an app, we're good to go. So for instance, let me click on this. I can go ahead to remix the app or different things. So if I click on this app now, we can actually go ahead to publish this app. So if I want to publish this app, it's simple. All I just need to do is to click on this publish and we are good to go, right? So once I'm done publishing it, it should be live on those app platform. So this is the one I created earlier before I started bringing it up to you guys. So as you see, it's looking so nice and the prompt is simple, just a booking app for cleaning service. Very, very simple. So you can go ahead to go to app and you're going to see all the here exactly. So if you click on app now, you're going to see everything that is going to happen on this app. For instance, you can see if you publish your app, you can track visitors, you can use you can see usage, insights, app health, browse data. You can actually connect a custom domain, exactly, which is what I want you to do, which is exactly what I want you to know. You can use a custom domain, and for you to do that, you need to buy this plan, $32 per month. So if it's actually something that you now love, instead of paying somebody you don't know to create an app and then you start running around chasing the person when the person did not do a good job, you can just use this platform and you have the control, right? You can now connect your stuff, and then you are not going to see any stuff. Is going to have your own name, your own domain name on it, and you can actually install this into your home screen, right? You can see exactly how it's going to look like. You can actually install this into your home screen, and this is just showing you the process. And when you install it, people is going to have it right here like this. Okay, very, very simple. So follow the step to install it onto your home screen, and then you use it like a proper app, right? So you can private the app, you can use sponsored AI usage, you can see the resources, you can remove this Waka branding. I think when you click on Waka branding, the same plan is going to help you remove it. So very simple. And you can now, which is what I love, you can now export the code. So you can export the full source code of this app. Very good. I have explored this platform with you guys, and I think at this point, if you are not using this app, it's not because you don't want to use the app or you don't understand it. It's just because you don't want to actually solve that problem with this amazing solution, and that is strange, right? So go ahead, use the platform, go to the platform Waka.app, tell it what to build, and build it like as easy as possible, right? Build it as easy as it can be. So Waka.app, this is exactly what I want you to do. Use it and tell me what you think in the comments, or if you have a problem, tell me in the comments. I'll be there to answer you. And if I can't answer you, don't worry, you can actually come also to the website. I think they have an amazing support team, and they are going to answer you for sure. That I know, right? So if you have any question in the comments, I'll be there to answer you. Okay, so tell me what you think. As you can see, if I go to help center, you're going to see they can answer you from here. You can actually go to assistant and contact their chat. So thank you very much for using this watching this video. I think you learned something and you are able to understand exactly what's happening. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you try it out and tell me what you think, right? So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.